Hi guys. I will create a document of 4000 width by 2500 height at 300 dpi. I drag this background image, then I scale it. And also this another one. For this image, I will set the blend mode to overlay. I take the photo of the man. I will isolate him from the background by selecting the magic wand tool, but I will click here on Select Subject. Now I take the TV, which I have masked out already to save time. I place it in the man head. I double-click in the TV layer to bring up the Layer Style dialog box. And I put a shadow. Now, I place the radio. I create a layer mask. I bring the radio layer down, so that it is behind the man. I want to put a white stroke to this layer. I select the layer mask. I take the brush tool with black color, and I delete this part of the image. Also, I put a shadow. I take the cassette. And I do same as the other layers. I make right click in the radio layer, then I select copy layer style. Right click again, then paste layer style. By this way you don't need to create layer styles from scratch. I take the old telephone. I select the magic wand tool to delete the main background and also those small sky parts inside. Copy and paste the layer style from the radio or cassette layer. I will create an adjustment layer, color lookup. I select this late sunset preset. This is because I want to give it more of a retro style. Place this texture now. I place it below the color lookup adjustment layer. I set the blend mode to overlay, and I lower the opacity. I create a layer mask to the texture layer. Now I take the brush tool with black color. I adjust the brush size and the opacity. I paint a little bit in the middle of the design to reduce the effect. Now, take the type tool. I will type 80s retro. I press Ctrl or Command A to select all. Then with the Move tool selected, I press here to align the text to the center. Double-click in the layer to bring the Layer Style dialog box. I put a stroke. I select this color with the color picker. I create another one, and I do the same. I'm just selecting the colors from the design. Depending on the way you create the strokes, you will need to arrange them and put it inside or outside. Also a color overlay. I create another stroke. And the last thing that I want to do is put a shadow. So there is it. That is my retro effect collage. I hope you like it and learn something from this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Download the PSD file. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.